Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the grid size and orienting the page. This affects precision, so pick 1/4 or 1/8 inch depending on detail. Next, label your axes clearly with units and a descriptive title so anyone can read the graph. Use a ruler for straight axis lines and mark the origin at 0. Once done, draft light tick marks and choose a scale that fits all your data points without crowding the page, making future adjustments easier. Now convert each data value into the grid units you set. Doing math first prevents shifting later. Plot each point lightly in pencil at the intersection of its x and y coordinates, checking against tick marks for accuracy. When you have multiple series, assign distinct colors or symbols and add a legend to the top right corner. Once all points are placed, connect them with smooth lines or draw a best fit curve. Make sure to keep marks neat and consistent for readability. Finish by tracing final lines and labels in pen or fine marker, then gently erase all construction pencil marks so the graph looks professional. Annotate important features like peaks, troughs, intersections, and slopes, explaining what they mean in a short caption. Finally, validate the graph by rechecking raw data against plotted coordinates. If you see discrepancies, double-check your scale conversion and any copied numbers. If needed, correct and repeat plotting for the affected points only. This saves time and keeps the rest intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.